Hello, hello, hello. This is Jacqueline Price back again with another quick video. Today I'm going to talk to you about reducing your taxes. We have an amazing company, MWR Financial, and we're going to talk today about reducing your taxes. Here we are, we're on my Facebook page. I just want to make sure that you guys know that I am a real person. This is my Facebook page. Be sure to There is a link down below where you can connect with me on Facebook. You can follow me on Facebook. My number's down below. You can text me about the information that I'm going to give you today. Be sure and subscribe to my channel. Like and comment down below if this information is valuable to you today. So we're going to talk about reducing your taxes, and what we're going to do is I want to talk to you about this particular company, MWR Financial, home of the instant pay raise. The company, and I'm going to show you testimonials. The company has four different pillars. The membership has four different pillars. And so we're going to talk about all four of these pillars: Money Max, Credit Max, Equity Max, and Wealth Max. We're going to talk about all four. Guys, the reason I'm doing this video is because I love to help people make money from home. I love to help people increase their cash flow. So this is what my channel is all about. And again, I do ask that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any amazing videos. Right. And we're not going to be here long, so let's jump into it and see what kind of testimonials we can see today. Okay, here's one. So this is a testimonial about Money Max. It says, okay, this just happened. I utilized my Money Max service through MWR Financial by uploading my current W-4 into their online portal. And because 80% of Americans have their W-4 documents filled out incorrectly, our team of professionals were able to correctly modify my W-4, lowering my total taxes. So that means that he gets an extra $108 per check, an instant pay raise of $2,817 per year. It's your money, guys. Let's take advantage of it. So you can work your job, sign up with this membership, and get an instant pay raise. That's amazing. So that's the Credit Max. So let's keep going. Okay, this one here is a young lady that has, okay, she says, this is Wealth Max. Good morning. I have been in the business since April 2020 and was able to work with Wealth Max to finalize an investment in land banking in July. Due to the pandemic, her deed and certificate were delayed, but look, she's already got it. She has property. She's bought land in the area of growth where they're going to be adding new buildings and all that. And then whenever they get ready to buy it, she can sell it and she's earned money. This is Wealth Max. Wealth Max. That's that pillar. Wow. Congratulations to her. Oh, and then here's Kevin Moses. He's one of my team members. He says, when the strategies and the system work, expect these kind of results. Wow. And you follow the instructions. Trust the process. His score went up a whole 77 points. This is absolutely amazing. He is in the 700 club. That's 738 credit score. Guys, this is what you want. This is the Credit Max. And remember, I said that the credit part of our membership is free. So this is just this is icing on top of the cake. You know what I'm saying? So that's Credit Max. Okay, let's see what this one is. Is this another Credit Max? Yes, it is. His credit score went up 140 points. And he hasn't been 2 months, and look how they helped my credit change the way I walk in the financial institutions today. Says he's still looking for reaching the 800 club. Wow, that's amazing. These are testimonials in our group, guys. Okay, and then here, this one is Equity Max. It says, took me a while, but here it is, next year debt free. So he'll be debt free November 2021, because in Equity Max, they give you a plan to help you eliminate your debt. Then it also gives him a millionaire debt too. That's amazing. So these are the pillars. Okay, there's another credit. My credit score currently. Wow, this is amazing. 792, 802. Score went up 11 points with TransUnion, 10 points with Equifax. That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. These are all the testimonials. Her score went up 13 points. This is our group. This is the group that shows all of the testimonials. Here's another one of my teammates. His score went up 130 points since he started. This is Michael. He's on my team. His score went up 130 points. Guys, the experts are absolutely amazing. They know exactly what they are doing to get your scores out, to help you get an instant pay raise. They know how to show you how to follow a plan to eliminate debt. They can also work with you in getting you into land banking, also get you into a PRA account. This is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Guys, I just wanted to come on and show you how you can reduce your debt by getting this membership. The link is going to be posted down below my video. How you can get this membership and reduce your taxes and get your cash flow up. This is what we do. Learn how to play the money game. Learn how to play the money game, guys. Okay? I appreciate every one of you guys for watching. This again has been Jacqueline Price coming to you with another short video of how you can reduce your taxes and get your cash flow up with the Financial Edge membership. I will see you guys on the next video.